Hi boys and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the previous class we managed to discuss about indices. Okay, I gave you notes about indices. I gave you the laws of indices. So from the previous class we saw that we have 7 laws of what? Of indices, and you should know the 7 laws of indices. So today I have a few questions with me. This is the first question, which is coming from November 2021 paper 1. This is November 2021 paper 1. 14a. Solve the equation 5 to the power x is equal to 125. This is 2 marks. What is to solve an equation? To solve an equation is to find the value of the unknown. So you are supposed to find the value of what? Of x. See, this is 5 to the power x is equal to 125. Okay. This is 5 to the power x. You can also express this as 5 to the power something. Okay. So this is 5 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power what? To the power 3. Okay. Since the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, this is 5, this is 5. It implies the powers are equal. So x is equal to 3. Then you get 2 marks. Let's move on to question B. Simplify. This is 98 divided by 32 to the power negative 1 over 2. A number is raised to a negative power. What is the result? The result is 1 over that number raised to a positive power. Okay, the result is 1 over the number raised to a positive power. See, this number can be reduced. Okay, you can reduce this number. This is 1 divided by, you can say 2 into this one, you get what? You get 49. 2 into this one, you get what? You get 16. This is to the power half. Okay, so if you have 49 divided by 16 to the power half, it means what? What is the square root of 49 divided by 16? And I told you, if you want to solve this, you take the square root of the numerator divided by the square root of the denominator. What is the square root of 49? Is 7. And what is the square root of the denominator? Is 4. So here the answer is 1 divided by 7 over 4. Here we are. Now you have 1 divided by, this is 1 divided by 7 over 4. Okay, which is equal to 1. See, the moment you change this into a multiplication sign, you invert. This is 4 by 7. So the answer is 4 by 7. So if you solve this, the answer is 4 by 7. This is the final answer. Please take note. Take note of this. A number is raised to a negative power. The result is 1 over the number raised to a positive power. Okay, you can divide this by 2 and this by 2. If you divide this by 2, the answer is 49. If you divide this number by 2, the answer is 16. What is the meaning of this? This to the power half, it simply means the square root of 49 divided by 16. How are we going to find the square root of this? You take the square root of the numerator divided by the square root of the denominator. The square root of the numerator is nothing but 7. The square root of the denominator is nothing but 4. So if you solve this, you are going to get 7 divided by 4. So see, this is 1 divided by 7 divided by 4. Now I have this 1 divided by 7 over 4. Okay, you change this into a multiplication sign. The moment you change this into a multiplication sign, what are you supposed to do? You invert. So this becomes 4 by 7. So 1 times 4 divided by 7, what is the answer? The answer is 4 divided by 7. This is the final answer. Let's move on to November 2022 paper 1. This is 7 over 8 raised to the power negative 1. A number is raised to a negative power. The result is 1 over that number raised to a positive power. Okay. So this is 1 divided by 7 over 8. What is the answer? The answer is 8 over 7. This is clear, right? I explained this part in the previous question. This question I explained how to solve 1 divided by 7 over 8. So the answer is 7 by 8. Let's move on to the last question. November 2023, paper 1. You are supposed to simplify negative 3m to the power 4. What is the meaning of this? It means this number is multiplying itself 4 times. Okay? It's multiplying itself 4 times. A negative times a negative, it's a positive times a negative, it's a negative times a negative, it's a positive. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, this is nothing but 81. M times m times m times m, this is nothing but m to the power 4. So the answer is 81, m to the power 4. Let's move on to the next part. B part, I evaluate. I have 49 to the power 3 by 2. What is the meaning of this? What is the square root of 49 raised to the power 3? I told you the meaning of this. So what is the square root of 49? The square root of 49 is 7 raised to the power 3. This simply means 7 times 7 times 7, which is equal to, what is this? This is 49 times 7, which is 343. This is 343. This is the final answer. Let's move on to the next question. This is 2 to the power negative 3. A number is raised to a negative power. What is the result? The result is 1 over that number raised to a positive power. Okay, which is 1 over 8. See, this is equal to 1 over 2 to the power 3. It simply means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 1 divided by 8. This is the final answer. Okay, boys and girls, thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, also try to find question paper, questions from the what? From the textbook. Go through the questions in the textbooks. Okay, then only you can learn.